Welcome to our video on how to make money by becoming a virtual personal shopper. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps of setting up your business and finding clients. Step 1. Define your niche. Will you specialize in clothing, home decor, or something else? Narrowing down your focus will make it easier to market yourself to potential clients. Step 2. Build your website and social media presence. Create a professional-looking website that showcases your services and previous work. Also, establish social media accounts and regularly post pictures of your personal shopping finds to attract potential clients. Step 3. Network with potential clients. Reach out to friends, family, and other contacts to see if they know anyone who might be interested in your services. You can also join Facebook groups, LinkedIn groups, and other online communities to find potential clients. Step 4. Provide excellent service. Once you've secured a client, make sure to provide the best possible service. Communicate frequently, stay within their budget, and provide personalized recommendations to ensure they become repeat clients and recommend you to others. By following these steps, you can turn your love of shopping into a profitable business. Good luck!